Hi, my name is Ikje Cheon, founder of Explorer. According to World Health Organization, the population of blind people in 2020 is projected to be 76 million people in the world. This means that 1 in every 100 people is assumed to be blind. However, we rarely see them anywhere. After in-depth discussion and conversation with blind people in organizations, these are the reasons why. First, one of the two biggest fears in traveling is the risk of getting hit by cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. Drivers think they can avoid the accident by promptly reacting, but for blind people, there's no sense of reaction. The second biggest fear is getting lost while traveling. Blind people prefer to travel on a familiar route, but when they're exposed to a completely new environment, they'll be vulnerable without any personal assistant. So, what are the available tools to assist them in traveling? There are guided dogs, white cane, and tactile ground surface indicators. Surprisingly, none of them are recognized as navigation tools. They are created to alert and guide only. So, how can blind people travel safely and confidently without a map? Ever since the first smartphone came out 12 years ago by Apple, we've experienced huge improvements in navigating every year through their mapping service. We've gained confidence, safety, and freedom to travel. It is very clear now what the vision impaired people need the most: the map. Explorer is the world's first interactive tactile navigation device for vision impaired people. It is designed compact and detachable so the users can flexibly mount it on a white cane handle. Electromagnetic braille will illustrate the map when the device is activated. Braille is a source of tangible information which almost every blind person is familiar with. This way, the need for audio guidance is not required and frees hearing to understand the surrounding context. One of the greatest advantages of using Explorer is that users can control the map scale. This allows the user to locate oneself on a map of city scale to a 10-meter radius. This is a wonderful tool to help users to flexibly access extensive geographical data. Explorer aims to attract individual customers as well as different entities, including universities, tourism industries, airports, organizations, galleries, and museums. The devices will be available to purchase and rent with monthly and annual subscriptions. Explorer is at concept prototyping stage, and I am exposing the projects in more international scenes by entering prestigious international design competitions. Locally, I have been in contact with various key personnel in organizations who wish to remain anonymous at this point, but I am in a position where they are expecting to see a working prototype to provide a full support. I am currently a practicing architect and industrial designer. I have done several projects from concept to a complete building and products through a collaborative process. I look forward to meet people with the same objectives and make this project realized to help blind people around the world.